Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2023 Harley-Davidson NIGHTSTER Special. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2023 Harley-Davidson NIGHTSTER Special with 4,128 miles runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and a keyless ignition. It's been upgraded with an engine guard and 1.5-inch handlebar risers. Powered by a 975cc V-twin engine, the NIGHTSTER puts 90 horsepower and 70 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.1-gallon fuel capacity, the NIGHTSTER has a 120 to 130-mile range. It has a 27.8-inch seat height and a 483-pound wet weight. This bike passes New York State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 830 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the brake service light remains on, although a brake flush has been performed by the National Powersports Distributors team. Only a Harley-Davidson dealership can remove the light. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the exhaust, a scratch on the foot brake, a paint blemish on the front fender, scuffs on the headlight cowl, and chips on the rear fender. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles, and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.